Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore disabled startup entries in Autoruns step by step. If you've previously disabled a startup item and now want it to launch automatically again, Autoruns makes it quick and easy to restore. So let's get started. First, open Autoruns on your Windows computer and run it with administrator privileges if prompted. Wait for the application to complete its system scan and display all startup entries. Next, locate the disabled startup item you want to restore. Disabled entries remain visible in Autoruns and are typically shown with their checkboxes cleared. You can browse the appropriate tab, such as Logon, Services, or Scheduled Tasks, or use the Find feature to locate the entry more quickly. Once you've found the correct startup item, review the publisher, image path, and description columns to confirm it's the one you want to restore. This helps prevent you from enabling the wrong entry, especially if several items have similar names. To restore the startup entry, simply check the box next to it. Autoruns will immediately re-enable the item, allowing it to launch automatically the next time Windows starts. There's no need to reinstall the application or recreate the startup entry. After restoring the item, restart your computer and sign back in. Verify that the application or service now starts automatically and functions as expected without causing any startup issues. And that's it. You now know how to restore disabled startup entries in Autoruns and re-enable programs whenever you need them again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey.